Well, today I want to show you what happens when you have the sun right behind your head. Look at that there. See how I kind of pop? And right there, if I get the sun right behind me, I got that light that's giving me a nice little glow and everything like that. It kind of gives it a little focus and everything like that. So you can use that in your photography or in your filmmaking. Look, see that difference there? And of course, if if you want some definition on the side, it needs to be more like like this here. Well, that shot with the sun behind you, it's a cool shot. Compute that and subscribe.